Did y'all notice anything crazy in my car? I just had to do this video starting in my car because there's something in my car that is very strange and doesn't normally belong in a car. That lady has a tree in her car. Oh, sometimes I crack myself up. Oh my goodness, I was just at an intersection at a red light, and the looks I got from the car next to me was so funny when they saw this tree in my car. It goes all the way to the back of my car, and the trunk of this tree is in my windshield on my dashboard. So I look like some kind of, I don't even know what I look like. I've been seeing these DIYs on the internet of these fake trees, and I thought, perfect, because I've been looking for a fake tree to put in my living room, a big, huge one. When I priced out fake trees, like oversized fake trees online, I was like, absolutely ridiculously expensive. Don't think so. So I was at a friend's house, and in her neighborhood there was a bunch of landscaping and tree pruning being done, and I noticed this trailer packed with a pile of these beautiful crepe myrtle branches. I pulled over, loaded a couple, brought them home, and I just adjusted the branches according to what shape and size I was wanting. I'm going to be using this old plastic flower pot, and I'm going to fill it with this concrete mixture. I'm going to line the flower pot with a trash bag because it does have holes in it, and I don't want the concrete mixture to leak out. I will be mixing the concrete little by little until the container is about halfway full. I am inserting the tree branches into the concrete mixture, and I'm making sure they're in position exactly where I want them, because once the concrete dries, there's no turning back. Once my branches are in position, I am going to use the rest of the concrete mixture and fill it about 3 inches from the top of the container. I actually have the branches propped up against the wall so they're in position, and I am going to also use tape to hold everything in place even more. So when the concrete dries, it will be perfect. The supplies I'm using in this video are a thrifted ficus tree, wire cutters, a drill, and a glue gun. So it's been about 2 days, the concrete's dry, and the tree branches are ready for the leaves. I found this ficus tree at a local thrift store for only $25. It was in great shape, and this is going to be perfect for my project.
I'm going to pull off the leaves and branches, and I will be cleaning them really well and using them for my custom faux tree. Got two piles going on here. I've got stems without wire and I've got stems with wire. Now the wireless ones are going to be perfect because I'm going to use the hole that's in the stem and I'm going to hot glue them to these little branches that are sticking out of the tree. So for the stems that have wire, I've got a wood drill bit about the same size as the wire, and I'm going to drill holes in the tree trunk. Make sure you trim the wire so it doesn't poke through to the other side, and I'm going to hot glue it in place. I'm going to repeat these steps over and over until I achieve the fullness and the shape of the tree that I am looking for. So when I got the leaves exactly the way I wanted them, I put the tree in a beautiful decorative pot, and I just happened to have some styrofoam on hand. You can use newspaper, anything like that, to just kind of fill in all of the areas and secure the small pot in the bigger pot. And then I just put beautiful bright green moss over the top to finish it off. And I am so in love with this tree and how it turned out. It is beautiful. It is custom, and everybody that comes over has to look at it because they think it's real. What do you think?